tulungan. May embargo ang bahay at lupa mo. In 3 months' time, pag hindi mo nabayaran ng principal plus interest, sakali ka na matutulog.
Kung totoo man yon, kung sakali man ako matulog, wala kang pakialam. Hindi ka madudumihan, hindi ka matatapakan.
Pero ayoko mangyari yan sa anak ng taong pinagkakautangan ko ng loob. Ira, gusto kitang tulungan. Bakit pa hindi mo matanggap yun?
Ayoko magkaroon ng utang na loob sa'yo.
Alright,
Okay.
this time we have our portion now of That's Acting. Pero bago yan, yung ating birthday celebrant. Yes, happy birthday.
Yes, Kuya Germs, thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank God, to my mom and parents, to my mom and dad, sa mga kapatid ko, kay Kuya, kay Michael, kay Kuya, si Utol, sa mga press people, sa mga fans, Friday group, and most, most especially sa inyo po, Kuya Germs. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you also. Tuwing merong magkaka-birthday dito, para bang bumabata ako lalo, talaga, oh. Oh, yes.
Nais ko nga palang pati si Ate Cynthia, RCF Cavite City. Nanonood siya every Friday. Yan.
Okay, thank you. Now, Rayan Basa, meron tayong ibabalita.
You're all invited to attend Milo Club's 9th anniversary celebration on September 2, 1995 at the Garden Square Harrison Plaza. Invite your family and friends. Just bring Milo labels to serve as your entry pass. Registration at 11 a.m. And bring your Milo Club ID.
And
Thank you.
meron ding imbitasyon ang aking kumparing Rod Stewart. Bukas na ang kanyang concert sa Araneta Coliseum.
Linggo.
Yeah, no, Sabado lang. Sabado lang. 26 lang.
Akala ko 2 days.
Marami siyang schedule. Marami, hectic masyado. Kaya one day lang siya, no?
Kuya Rod talaga.
Kaya samantalay na natin. Paring Rod, pwede ba nating pakita yung kanyang paanyaya ni Paring Rod Stewart?
Rod Stewart, live in Manila. Experience 2 nights of awesome music on August 26th and 27th, 8 p.m. at the Araneta Coliseum.
Hello Manila, this is Rod Stewart here and I'll be visiting your city on the 26th and the 27th of August for 2 concerts. I do hope you can make it. It'll be fantastic and I will be there.
Watch Rod Stewart live in Manila.
Okay, that's it. Only one day, only one day.
One day
Okay.
na lang.
Alright, now
Very
that's
hectic.
acting. Para makita naman natin yung development ng mga bata sa pag-arte para balang araw, sa pelikula naman, o kaya sa mga telesine mapanood natin.
Magagamit nila yan.
O kaya sa mga drama series, no?
Opo.
Ikaw, nakalabas ka na, di ba?
Opo, Kuya Germs.
Nung nag-umpisa ka rito, may pelikula ka na ba? Wala pa.
Meron na po. Yung
Ha?
Angel Mulabi, yung first movie ko nun.
Yeah, but when you entered That's Entertainment, you are nothing.
I am nothing.
Ha?
But when I am a member of Touch Entertainment, I am.
Oh, okay. Sige na, tawagin mo ng unang pair.
First pair ko, Jerv, si Jason at saka si Aileen Nasguera.
Okay.
Jason Romano, yun. Model ng ED yan.
Ito, matagal na ito nag-That's Acting dito.
Kuya Jerv, madaming pelikula
Every time
ngayon.
we have That's Acting on Friday Group, he's the star of That's
Oo,
Acting.
Kuya Jerv, he's a good actor daw eh. Daw?
You're an actor already, di ba? You made movies already? Oh.
Marami na po.
Yun pala eh. Dapat doon sa mga bago naman binibigay yung pagkakataon. Kulang pa. You want to develop pa your talent in acting. Okay. Quiet. This is a take. Our clapper boy, Romnick, come here.
Romnick Yoel Jr.
Okay. So. Okay, ah. Lights. Camera.
That's workshop on the air, take 1.
Action.
Gusto kitang tulungan. May embargo ang bahay at lupa mo. In 3 months time, kapag hindi mo nabayaran ng principal plus interest, sakali ka na matutulog.
Kung totoo man yun, kung sakali man ako matutulog, wala kang pakialam. Hindi ikaw ang madudugan at hindi ikaw ang matatapakan.
Pero ayoko mangyari yun sa anak ng taong pinagkakautangan ko ng loob. Ira, gusto ko tang tulungan, ba't hindi mo matanggap yun?
Dahil ayokong magkaroon ng utang na loob sa'yo.
Cut. Okay.
Dahil ayokong magkaroon ng utang na loob sa'yo.
That was Richard and,
And Sharon, Kuya
Okay.
Jerry.
Next pair.
Robert, Jove, and Joanna.
Red sunlight.
Okay.
Nakapula, Kuya Jerms.
He used to be a dancer,
Oo, Kuya
but
Jerms.
still, he's dancing.
A member of Dutch Entertainment. Still.
Okay.
She's a working guy.
What she's so working?
He is a working guy.
Okay, Robert?
Magandang hapon po sa mga nanonood sa Dats.
Okay, make it good.
Magandang hapon din po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, you make it good. Your role is Richard, and you are Sharon.
Ready.
Quiet. This is a take.
New clapper boy.
New clapper boy.
What's her name? Raynor Ruiz po. Raynor Ruiz.
Okay.
Po.
Now, quiet please.
Okay.
Lights, camera,
Workshop on the air. Take one.
action.
Ano ba talaga gusto mo?
Gusto ko tayong tulungan. May embargo na at bahay at lupa mo in 3 months' time. Pag hindi mo nabayaran ng principal plus interest, sakali ka na matutulog.
Kung totoo man yun, kung sakali man ako matulog, wala kang pakialam. Dahil hindi ko ang tatapakan at madudumihan.
Pero ayoko mangyari yun sa anak ng taong pinagkakautangan ko ng loob. Ira, gusto kitang tulungan. Ba't ba hindi mo matanggap yun?
Ayoko magkaroon ng utang na loob sa'yo.
Okay, got it.
Galing. Puro
Next
take one.
time our camera should be a little bit, because the hairdo
Zoom in.
is covering the face of
Yes.
the actress. Okay?
Zoom in. Zoom out. Miggy and Asunta.
Next pair.
Miggy and Asunta.
Okay.
Ayun.
Oh, this is a beautiful young lady, huh?
Your
Oh.
shirt is good.
What's your name, Mia? Face the camera.
Maria Asunta.
Maria. You are from Italy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Italian girl. And you are
Migi po, Kuya Jer.
Mickey Mouse, you see?
Kajerms,
In Dance Entertainment complete. Mickey Mouse.
Miggy.
Mickey.
Miggy Moreno.
Ah, Moreno. Oh, I thought Mickey Mouse.
Migi Moreno po.
Mickey Moreno, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I'm Kuya James Moreno also. Okay, we are not
Magkamag-anak pa
related.
Baka po.
Okay. O, baka halungkatin pa natin history natin, no?
Okay.
Okay, now this is a take. Where is the new clapper,
Clapper
boy?
What's your name? George Dural. George Dural. Okay.
Okay, you face the camera also. You might be discovered here. You see? He's still very small. The body is still bulalo.
Oh, Kuya Germs, still, oh my goodness.
The body is still bulalo.
Ribs.
Maybe after 10 years, heavyweight already. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, 2 years lang, huh? Okay, this is a take. You are becoming red. Why?
Oh, you are blooming, huh? Oh my goodness, you
When
are
you
smiling.
laugh, you become red, huh?
Oh,
Okay. Quiet. This is a take now. Lights,
Take
camera,
Workshop on the air. Take one.
action.
Ano ba talaga gusto mo?
Gusto ko kitang tulungan. May embargo ang bayat lupa mo within 3 months' time. Kapag hindi mo nabayaran ng principal plus interest, sakali ka na matulog.
Kung totoo man yun, kung sakali man ako matulog, wala akong pakialam. Hindi ka madudumihan, hindi ka matatapakan.
Pero ayokong mangyari yan sa anak ng taong pinagkakautangan ko ng loob. Ira, gusto ko kitang tulungan. Pero bakit hindi mo matanggap yon?
Ayoko magkaroon ng utang na loob sa'yo.
Okay, alright. You see?
Ayaw po talaga magpatulong eh.
Hey, yes, no more ad-lib.
Okay.
That's it. That's our,
That's it.
that's workshop.
That's workshop
acting.
on the air.
Yes, on the air.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, shall we give some donors?
Okay.
Thank
That's
you.
our life. Thank you.